For our next step, we are going to glue the cross member portions into the frame rails, and we will also install our mousetrap. We're going to use a hot glue gun for this. You could use normal white wood glue, whatever you have handy. Just be aware the hot glue gun is hot. Be careful you don't get hot glue on your fingers and burn yourself. We're going to simply put some glue on one side. We're going to assemble one side of the frame at a time, and we're going to take our little cross member and install it and give it a firm push in so it gets properly seated in the bottom. Some of our wood cuts may be a little bit sloppy, but the glue will help us to make the frame straight, tight, and square. All three cross members get attached like this, and then we will put some glue in each one of the other areas, moving kind of quickly so we can act before the glue cools off. And we're going to take the other side of the frame and set each rail in. Give them a little push. There we go. We've made the frame portion. Onto the mousetrap. Many of the parts on the mousetrap we don't need. We have the slammer arm that acts under pressure. A mousetrap works like this. We roll the bail back. You latch the arm into the bait hook, and simply when the mouse comes along looking for a snack, they get trapped. We don't need all this for our mousetrap guard. The only real parts we need are the base and the spring. So we're going to remove the parts we don't need. We're simply going to take our side cutters and pull the catch out. We're going to unhook the spring from the slammer arm. So we're just going to take our finger and pop that out. Now this swings freely. We're going to cut this from this end. We're going to push down with our thumb, cut the bail, pull the small piece out of the center, and we're going to remove the spring. The last thing is we need to remove the bait holder. Once again, pop it out, move all of these parts out of our way. All we need is the mousetrap base with the small hooks and the spring. We're going to use the Victor logo, which is a mouse, just simply to point to the front of the car so we remember where the front of the car always is. And we're just going to take some hot glue, put it on the cross members, and set it on. Try and get it in there nice and square, even, front to back, even, right in the center of the frame. Give it a little push to set it in. We've now installed our mousetrap frame onto our mousetrap car frame.